Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Alright guys, and ChatGPT, don't forget that part. Alright, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, which is the highest I ever heard in my life. Especially, not only is it 80%, but it's recurring. Fantastic. All right guys, so if you start an affiliate system marketing, this is the product to promote, guys. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to get to this page here, and we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to show you guys these are real results. I want to make sure you guys know that, make sure you guys understand that, because it's very easy to change these to look like whatever you want. So when I refresh it, you know that this money is going into my bank. It's just not fake numbers. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, Now the first thing we need to do, if you guys are interested in doing this, is you need to get your affiliate link. All right, so this is the link that I personally use for all of my videos. I mean all of my stuff, and I like it. It works well. Personally, I use it because it promotes about 3 of the products all together. So that's the reason why I put particular all-in-one business sales letter. All right guys, so that link's going to be in the description under the name and under incomespeaks.com. You can type it in as well, it'll still be my link, and it's going to take you to this page here. It's going to take you to this page, basically the sales letter for the all-in-one $25 business. Essentially what it is a funnel builder with no real limitations on it for $25 per month. Now if you have made funnels before, you know that that's a fantastic deal, especially if you're coming off of something like ClickFunnels, which is the most popular funnel builder out there. You know that this is a fantastic deal. So anyway guys, it just tells you about how much money you can make promoting this product. Like say $20 to $100 monthly commissions for every customer. That means you can get up to $120 off of each customer every single month, guys. Fantastic. Think about building that up. Once you build that up, it's kind of crazy. And this is a product people need, so they're gonna stay in it. So, which is really cool about that. They also give to charity as well, if you're interested in that. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is go to Yes I Want In, right? You click on that, Yes I Want In. It's gonna take you to this page here. And this page here is going to explain to you, basically you put in all the information and stuff like that to try the product and whatever. But not down here, it's $25, right? All right, so one thing I want to mention here is this particular thing here is HBA Premium. Now this is for free for 14 days if you use my link. And what this does is promote how to promote these products, right? They have videos and stuff teaching you how to promote these products on different websites like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, so on and so forth, right? And different ways to promote it using solo ads, blogging, making videos. They teach you how to do all of that. And it's constantly updated because rules change on websites and stuff, so it has to be constantly updated. Something that worked on TikTok a year ago won't work now, you know what I mean? So yeah, it has to be constantly updated. It also has an AI content creation machine, which you can use to help you make posts and stuff on like Twitter or whatever, and build you a following. Help you build a following when you can't really think of that in the pit. And yeah, you can just use that for 2 weeks here for free when you use my link here. And the coolest thing about this is that if you happen to get a sale with the HBA Premium here, you keep that $100 yourself, even though you haven't paid for the product yet. Absolutely fantastic, right guys? This is a jump start into the system to get your business started. Understand something, businesses don't jump. Businesses get started very, very slowly sometimes. So you have to really be consistent. That's the main word I want y'all to pay attention to. Consistency. Don't stop doing it. All right. So anyway, guys, once you do that, you need a link. You need a way to promote your product. Now, this is not in the system. This is just a method I found myself that tends to work, depending on some stuff, but it works every time. It works for me. So what I would say do is you'll see a link in the description. My second link says something about my lead gen secrets. Now that's gonna take you to this page here. Now what my lead gen secrets is that you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. Now this is the thing about it. Now these are cold leads. That means that they're interested in making money online, but all right, they're interested in making money online, but they're very, very cold. They have no idea who you are and what you're trying to sell. All right, so you have to kind of warm them up to buying your products. And don't worry about how many leads that I have. I have 69,000 leads. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. You can get sales with just 100 leads. I tell you that. By the way, I'm using my worst performing account. The reason why I'm doing that is to ensure that you guys are able to make money with this method. Because if I'm using my worst performing account, I have about 10 accounts. This is my worst performing one. If this is my worst performing one, the chances of you guys getting an account better than this one is really high. And some of the best accounts are fantastic. Like you can make up to $4,000 to $5,000 a month on some of the best accounts. So that's why I want to, and I know that because I have 10 accounts, so I know that. So make sure to try this out and see if it works for you guys. And what we're gonna do is use an email here that we are gonna get from ChatGPT. And what I'm gonna do is go to it real quick. Now we come to ChatGPT. All right, guys. So we're gonna go to money opportunity. These are my emails here that I've been doing. All I do is pick, can you create another email similar to this, the last one? And I stemmed that all from this particular email I wrote myself. This is what I told it to do. Write an email similar to this. This is subject, making money, and then pick body, I'm making my very first week. And then you can just copy it if you guys are interested. You can just pause the video and copy my email there and just tell it to make emails similar to that if you're interested. All right, guys, but it's very simple to get this to write emails for you. But that, if you want the particular emails that I write, that's how I do it. All right, so I just type in, make me an email similar to the last one again. Okay, firing milestones, 30 days. $50. 2100. That was gonna fit 2100. You gotta up the stakes because 130 days is 4 to 5 months. 21 6,130 days ain't all of that. Ain't really that much money. Even 21,000 in just 130 days ain't terribly a lot. To be fair, but it sounds believable. That's the most important part. It sounds believable. Once it sounds believable, they're more likely to give you a shot because it sounds believable. Like you can make that type of money within that time now. For not much. You're more than likely gonna make more than that. All right, but for that timeline. All right, so we just gonna copy the email here. Copy it, boom. Hit it in. Right here. Boom. Hit this, copy our link. Hit here. Code. also nice lot. Also, just want the email to look kind of better, prettier. On this, bust it out a bit, make it look. Which is it? 21. Want to bold it. It looks like a really nice email, right? Good. So that's the full email, guys. Copy it if you want to. I don't really mind. Whichever way you want to do it here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit perfect time. And what that does is send an email around time people check email. So for example, you check at 8 a.m. you're gonna see the email around 8 a.m. so you'll check it. Alright, so then we go to preview and make sure it works, guys. Very simple. Boom boom. So the link works. Alright, and we send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quickly done. Especially once you get a ton of emails in here, all you gotta do is just click on the email. You can just pick one. You see all these emails I made so far? I can pick one, send it, boom, done. That's all I really need to do, but I want to show y'all the whole thing. I want to show y'all the whole process to show y'all how that works. So anyway, guys, one more thing I want to mention before we get out of here. To make money online, the #1 word is consistency. That means don't worry about how good your videos are. If you got the right lines, if you got the right type of email, if the email's perfect, if it's not perfect, none of that matters. What matters the most is that you're sending them, you're making them, you're putting them up. Constantly do that. Eventually, you'll start making money. And eventually, that money will explode. Alright? Consistency. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.